Hello, children. A warm welcome to you all. How have you been doing? I hope you all are doing good. Are you all excited to start our class with another topic, children? Okay, that's very nice. So let's just get started with our new topic today. Today we are going to deal with the grammar topic. Okay, children? Are you all excited? I hope you are. So let's just get started. Okay. Now, today's topic is conjunctions. Okay, today's topic is conjunctions. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions, also known as connectors or joining words. So, when do we use that, children? We use and, but, or so to connect part of sentences which are similar in grammatical status. They are called joining words. Okay, say suppose there is a statement which says I have to go to school, work for the day. What do you use? Can we talk like that? There will be some connecting word. Okay, so by the end of the class you will all know how to connect a sentence. Before starting, children, I want to give you instructions. Please go through the words that I have highlighted. Okay, and so the second one says we use and for adding more information. So when do we use and? We use and for using more information. Like I have to go to school and do my homework. So you use and. And means adding more and more to the information. Okay. But for different information or something unexpected. When do we use but? But is used for different information. Okay. We generally do not start a sentence with these words. You remember, children, we never start such sentences like and there is a like this, so this happened, but we never start like that. Okay, we never start a sentence like that. Okay, so what are the connectors, conjunctions or joining words? Means they are and, but or so. These are the connectors. Now it is a sunny day. It is hot. What is this? We can see the sunny day. Sunny means sunny. The half of the statement says sunny. The other half of the statement says hot, which means both have the similar ideas. Both mean the same, but they are spelled differently. So we used and when there is a statement, when in a sentence, the first half of the sentence has same, the other half of the sentence has same, we use the word and or the conjunction and. Okay, now the sky is cloudy but it is not raining. Can we use and? No, we cannot use and, because see children, in this statement we can see that the sky is cloudy, it is not raining. Both does both mean the same? No, they don't mean the same. That is the reason we are using but. So when do we use but? When the sentence has different ideas, we use but. Let's see some examples for and but. It's Anna's birthday today. Her friends gave her presents. What do we use here? Can we say but? No. If you say but, that will become a negative statement. So we say it is Anna's birthday today and her friends gave her presents. Second one says Leo watched a horror movie yesterday. He was scared. Can we use and here? No, we cannot. We have to use but, because the first half of the statement is different from the second half of the statement. Now, I want you to try the third one, children. It says, Ria had lots of homework, dash, the homework was difficult. The homework was difficult, dash, she could not finish it fast. Now, what do we use, children? Ria had lots of homework and the homework was difficult. The homework was difficult, but she could finish it fast. Now, let's see when do we use or so. We use or when if a sentence or a statement has a negative statement, we use or. When do we use so? So is used to show the reason The first part of the statement shows the reason, and the second part of the statement shows the result or the action. Let us see few examples for that. Examples for so and or. I don't like apples or oranges. Like you can see, children, all the words that I have highlighted for or are negative statement. So when do we use or? Or is used to show the negative statement. If a sentence has a negative words, then we use the word or. Now when do we use so? Tom seems so happy now. As you can see, the first part of the statement is the result. The second half of the statement is the action. Understood? So, Tom seems so happy now. She was so sad when my grandmother died. I am so full, I can't eat that. Now, in this, I am so full, she was so sad, she was so happy. These are all the results, whereas the other half is the action. Okay, children? So, we use or in the negative statements, so with result or action. Now, things to recall. What have we learned today, children? We have learned that conjunction. Conjunction, also known as joining words or connectors. They are and, but, so, or. When do we use and? And is used for similar ideas. When do we use but? But is used when a statement has different ideas. Now, when do we use or? Or is used in the negative statement. So, when do we use so is used when a sentence has result with an action. Okay, children, that's it for the day. Before we leave, I want you to do all your assignments. Okay, children, fine. Let's meet you all in the next class. Until then, be safe, stay happy. Bye, children.